Today, I'll show you how to reduce noise in DaVinci Resolve. If you're looking to enhance the quality of your videos by reducing unwanted noise, you've come to the right place. DaVinci Resolve offers powerful tools for noise reduction, allowing you to achieve crisp and clean footage. Let's dive in and explore how you can use these features effectively. First, make sure you're on the color page. This is the hub for all your color grading and correction needs in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to the software, you can find the color page along the bottom of your interface, represented by a palette icon. Once you're there, you'll have access to a wide array of tools to refine your video's appearance. Next, open the Motion Effects panel. Look for the sparkle icon. This is your gateway to advanced noise reduction options. Clicking on it will reveal a set of controls specifically designed to help you manage motion effects and noise in your footage. Now, let's focus on the temporal noise reduction, or NR section. This feature analyzes multiple frames to intelligently reduce noise, significantly enhancing video quality without sacrificing detail. Here, you'll want to start by setting the frames to 2 to 3. This setting determines how many frames the software will analyze to perform the noise reduction. By selecting 2 to 3 frames, you're allowing DaVinci Resolve to gather enough data to effectively reduce noise while maintaining a natural look. After setting the frames, adjust the motion estimation to better. This option optimizes how DaVinci Resolve tracks and reduces motion-related noise. Choosing better ensures a higher quality of noise reduction, especially in clips with noticeable movement. It may require a bit more processing power, but the results are often worth the effort, delivering smooth and noise-free visuals. Finally, let's tweak the Luma and Chroma settings. These parameters control the intensity of the noise reduction applied to the brightness and color components of your footage respectively. Begin by increasing them slightly, starting around 5 to 10. This range is a good starting point to see how your footage responds. Adjust incrementally from there as every video is different and you might need to fine-tune these values to achieve the best results. Keep in mind that while noise reduction can greatly improve video quality, it's essential to strike a balance. Too much reduction can lead to a loss of detail, giving your footage an unnatural, overly smooth appearance. It's always a good idea to review your adjustments by playing back the video, ensuring the noise reduction complements the footage rather than detracts from it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce noise in your videos using DaVinci Resolve, enhancing the overall quality and professionalism of your work. Experiment with these settings, and soon enough, you'll be mastering noise reduction like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more of DaVinci Resolve's features to further elevate your editing skills. Thanks for watching and happy editing.